Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm showing you exactly how to install Git on your Mac. There are a couple of different ways to get this done, so let's get right to it. First, the most common way is to use the official installer. Head over to the official GitHub website and download the latest version of the installer for macOS. Once the file is fully downloaded, go ahead and open the DMG file to launch the setup process. Next, you'll be guided through the installation instructions. On the very first screen that pops up, just click Continue. You'll then be asked to select a destination folder for exactly where you would like Git to live on your system. Once you're happy with the location, confirm your choice by clicking the Install button. Your Mac will pop up a security prompt asking you to input your system password to allow these changes. Type that in and hit Enter. After just a few moments, the files will finish extracting and you'll be presented with a final confirmation screen letting you know that the installation was successful. And finally, as an optional alternative, you can install Git using Homebrew, which is a very popular package manager for macOS. If you already have Homebrew set up on your machine, you can skip the website download entirely and just run a quick install command right from your terminal. And that's it. Git is officially installed and ready to use on your Mac. If this quick guide helped you out today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.